Alright, go figure. For filming we have a thunderstorm come in, so it's going to be a little noisy, but this is testing of my 1-inch burner. That's going to be going into my propane forge. So pressure is not being regulated. This is right off the bottle, which probably isn't a good idea, but anyway, I tried it once before, and as long as you're careful with it, it doesn't seem to give me any issues. So I'm going to kill the main light and fire it up. Molly, get out of there. Come on, shoot. Got is we can regulate the amount of propane simply by turning our valve, and then what we're looking for is to extend the central blue flame to its optimum peak, and we can do that by sliding this sleeve up and down. And back here is the base plate of the burner. Base plate holds the supply line to a nipple, and then into the actual base where the jet is located. The jet is actually out of a grill. It's much larger than the typical sizes you see used in these applications. But what I'm doing here is see, we've got a pretty nice flame at this point. I think we can get it better. Here's the burner tube. You can see back here, this is fully choked out. So at this point, all of the oxygen that's being supplied to this is being sucked in through the Venturi effect as we move it forward. there, we just lost it. So we're going to choke back a little bit more, but here you can see the top vent, or I guess that would be the top mixture hole, and then underneath is the second mixture hole. So sliding this forward, essentially we're going to close off one, and then if we continue going backwards, we're going to close off that second hole right there. We're going to go ahead and fire it up halfway again. It's really about as much as I had hoped for tonight. I mean, we have got a solid flame, great combustion. This is LP, so I'd smell any effects of you know, any fuel that's not burning pretty quickly, but again, of course, for safety's sake, make sure if you do this, you're in a well-ventilated area. I'm in a shed with essentially 3 walls and tons of open air. So that's it. I'm gonna shut her down. Post any questions or comments at the bottom.